Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 in University Blue. Before we get into this review guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that like button, we want to see those thumbs up, and drop some comments in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. And let's get into this. So today, if you cannot tell by this beautiful Nike box, we got an Air Jordan 1. I'll tell you, it's one of my favorite Air Jordan silhouettes. I've got the 7, I love the 4s, but the Air Jordan 1, we've done tons of reviews. Check them out over here in the playlist. That's over here. But in my opinion, we've got the hottest one to have dropped in 2021. I know it's early, but I don't know any other Air Jordan 1s coming out this year. There's the rumored Fragment Travis Scott collaboration. Is a rumor. Well, we don't know if it's going to be sold to the masses. With all that said, let's get into the specs. So we've got this Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in a white black University Blue colorway, and we got this in a UK size 8, it's a European 42.5, and it's a US size 9. Just before we roll into me trying on these sneakers, little word of warning, I usually get a UK size 7.5 or a UK 7 when it comes to Air Jordan 1s, because that is my size. I do kind of like them snug. So I was only able to get in a UK 8, so I know that these are going to be a bit big for me. So just a little word of warning. Let's get into this. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? I just want to mention that the UNC colorway has been done tons and tons of times before by Jordan brands, but this time, I mean, look at this, it's a nice finish, and it isn't as bright as the UNC ones that you're used to seeing, or those UNC off-white ones that came out a couple years back. But anyways, let's start with the outsole. So with this outsole, it's an all rubber outsole it's a more dark blue tone than the upper, but it hits nice. I really like it, to be fair, and it's probably the best traction you're going to find ever on an Air Jordan. Moving along onto the midsole, so you can't see it, but there's always an air unit that's encapsulated in this midsole unit, and we go working our way to the up. And if you look at this uppers, it's beautiful mixture of nubuck overlays, tumbled leather effects, and you got a nylon on the tongue. Now let's get into each single detail now. So at the mud guards and the toe box area, you got a really cushiony, plush leather. It's got that tumbled effect as well. Reminds me of the bread ones that came out in 2016. Now you go along to the upper, you got Jordan's alma mater, his former college. Those blue colorways, I don't know what their nicknames are, I totally forgot what it is, but it's in that blue. It's so, I wouldn't say unique, because I think everyone's seen this color blue before, but what differs it to the other UNCs is that this is in a nubuck leather, there we go. And it's all around in the toe box area, here in the cage, ankle support, and at the back. Now I've mentioned that this outsole is a bit different in color to the nubuck, but I like it, you know. It's little tinges, a bit of brightness in the sneaker, and plus you're going to be wearing them, you're not going to be looking at your soles of your feet all the time, are you? Now we go into the medial and lateral side, so you've got a leather black swoosh with again with the tumbled leather in the middle. And if you look at the ankle support, you've got the overlays, the nubuck overlays, padded support here on the ankle, and again it's that nice nubuck finish that's on the heel. Going along to the tongue, now I mentioned is the nylon. So you got the nylon tongue and the Air Jordan, well, it's forgive me, it's the Nike Air branding that's stitched on. And if you were to look on the insole, you've got the Nike Air in that UNC blue, the university blue really, colorway. Now, I'm not mad at this sneaker, it's really clean. It reminds me of the color blocking of the Chicago 1. And you know, what better to see a nicer finish, this nubuck finish with this UNC blue. I'm gonna keep calling it UNC blue. I mean university blue, you know what I'm getting at. Again, you have a choice of lacing. So you got that university blue laces if you're not fond of the black laces. But I think I'd keep the black laces because I like the contrast. It goes well, in my opinion. I can't wait to try these on. As I mentioned, I know that the fitting's gonna be different. I'll let you know when we roll that footage of me trying it on. So here you go. Don't know about you guys, but these are so clean. Even Jeff agrees with me. These are fire, man. So happy I got them. Again, I can't tell with the different color outsole. I'm looking down, all I'm seeing is that nice UNC blue, university blue, sorry Nike. But yeah. Again, I know that these are my size, so I'm gonna be wearing thick socks. If you wanna know where my toe is, I'm raising it there. You can't really see it, but it's over here. Just by that penultimate perforation. But no, I'm gassed. These are really nice. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.